Man. Bad, yeah man, bad gloves that man. Okay. Sometimes them have some when I see with some little rubbery thing on it, but nothing comparing to that. Okay, reception. Hellshire Beach. So the sun nice from here we see the sun. Guys, as well me I show you, at the Hellshire Beach me there, as you can see how the place nice, yeah, at the parking lot this, you see how the place set, exclusive, yeah, you don't know the place set, yeah, look a nice sun, yeah, man and woman Antoine, yeah, you see how the thing set, yeah, the place nice, man, and me I tell you about it, man, at the real vibes this, yeah, man, at the real place this, me I tell you, yeah, you can imagine. Yeah, Hellshire nice. Yeah, you don't know. I want to get towards the beach though, Yeah, I want to see the nice beach and now. So you know the thing set. Yeah, as you can see how the place look. Study it like a book. Right now I enter this establishment, so you can get a fish and festival and everything in line. Just like that. So I walk through, you see how the place nice. I tell you about it, yeah, as you can see. Yeah, I still do the walk through because I want to see the nice beach. Yeah, I want to look on the water now. You see how the place set? I tell you, just like that, I keep it real in a magnet to steel. Just like that, I keep it up. Yeah, watch you now. Can you believe this? Yes, guys. You know what is this now? The nice, beautiful water, Yes, guys. And me I show you about it, I tell you about it, make you see about it. The real thing this. No doubt, no joke. It looks like we have to go back out and go back that side to the near to the stand. Oh, wow, boy. Yeah, climate change. Yeah. Yes, leaving this establishment back again, come on, get closer to the sun, yeah. See the benches, how the benches look, yeah. See how the place nice. Take a good look. Yes, the place, this how the place look, Yeah, man. Real vibration, real meditation, yeah. Just how the thing set, me I keep it real, This guy sweep up the place. Watch it out. Back the side, yeah. Like a long time, come here saying up friend. Yeah. Eh? Just like that, Yeah, back at it again, I keep it real, Yeah. So the place nice. Me I tell you about it, Yeah. People, they're on the beach, yeah. Kids them a play up on the beach, as you can see how the place look. And me I show you how the place look, man. Just take a good look. So the place nice. Hellshire there. Just like that. Oh, this spring tall kicking. Yeah. Change up the show, man. Huh? Let me say change.
Yeah, I told you. Because climate change. He's coming in more. Next 10 more years, he's going to come even further. I tell you.
This thing, I don't know if it's a digital setup or where it look to you.
Maybe.
So very nice too. I walk more.
Yeah, walk a little more.
Okay.
So, see a location, sit down and have a drink.
Yeah.
On the beach right here.
Yeah. But now I take a walk towards the stone there.
Okay.
And then view and then forward back.
I know.
You know how I walk? You can? I.
Right.
Okay.
I'll be here.
Still I give you a walk through vibes and I show you how the place nice same way, yeah. Look on the beautiful rocks. Yeah. The stretch now, it carry you right out in the beach, you know. As you can see me a walk and I show you how the place look. Yeah, and the real vibes this, you know. Yes man, water band outside. Yeah, the strip of land. Carry right out here. Yes man, as you can see, you take a good look. Yeah, how beautiful the water is. See how nice the water is. Blue water, sea water, well nice. Hellshire the vibes. And me I tell you about it. You know the thing said, no doubt about it. Yeah, like this guy ride all the bicycle come on the beach. You see it? Just like that I keep it real, you know. Watch this now. See the wind heavy. Yes man, heavy wind. I'm blowing up. As you can see the water nice and beautiful. Joke about it, no doubt about it, you know, the real vibes. Yeah. Look at these stones, you see how the stones are beautiful, and me I show you about it, and I tell you about it. No joke about it. Real. Keeping it real, yeah. You know the thing set already, man. Yeah, the real vibes. Frankie TV, I give the exclusive vibes, you know. As you can see, I check it out, you know. On time, you know. Before time. Because some time. You know the thing said. Yes. Yes, guys. Water beautiful, not tell a lie, you understand? Yeah, it a call my name still, you know, but you don't know. I just I give you a review on the beach. Just like that, man. Real vibes. No joke about it. Tell you about it. Enjoyable place.
Where's your card?
I guess you have to go to the ATM.
Really?
to an end now, you know. Yeah. Sponsor this video, you know, so the Averys, you know. Yeah. Yeah, Avery Gloves, you know. Yeah. Get the exclusive, you know. On time, before time, and perfect time. Check it out. Frankie TV, I get the exclusive in Hellshire there, you know. Yeah, man, I leave the Hellshire beach and now see how the place set. Yeah. Hellshire beach, you know. See the place nice, exclusive, you know. Enemy, look out, frenemy, look out, a friend killer,